The property you need to see, beautifully maintained, located in Grand Heritage East Bear Creek subdivision, less than a block away from NeSmith Elementary. New community pool featuring a tanning deck and a splash pad also at walking distance. Additional community HOA amenities include clubhouse, fitness center, jogging trails, bike path, parks, and playground. Open concept design house with open kitchen and granite countertops, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths total, and 1 game room upstairs. The spacious master suite and master bathroom with standing shower and wide walk-in closet are located downstairs. The other 3 bedrooms are located upstairs. Separate backyard storage building is included. Property has sprinkler system. Location is exceptional, easy access to Wylie, Rockwall, Royse City, Sachse. Minutes to both Lake Lavon and Lake Hubbard, restaurants, shopping, and entertainment.